In a society where everyone is afraid and women come out to fight, it's a great prefigurative step to take a psychosocial accompaniment through actions, such as hugs, where the victims take their processes and make their voices heard. Peace is not in the books or agreements, it is in the actions in communities full of dialogues that are generated by the process that people create, such as those that form the Amor project. These same actions become a social commitment carried out by women leaders who want to make small but real changes because those are the ones that really impact the world. Although creating the Amor Association was not easy, psychoeducation has been done to women victims of the conflict and to male chauvinists who have changed their way of thinking. The objectives of this association can be related to the Occupy movement of the United States and the Recovery movement because they have in their idea to create a democratic spirit with different values and have the purpose of being the change you want to see. Although,
when referring to the term partnership, it is important to keep in mind that it implies a cooperation between the different actors involved so that the partners bring to the encounter a variety of understanding about the problem. Then, when the different perspectives and knowledge are shared between them is when a partnership working is really built. Thus, the leaders of Amor project, when they make use of their knowledge, not only implies the content of their representations, but also the identity that carry them and their lifestyle, which means that at the level of representation of the self and other, the identities of each one and their interests are recognized. It is evident in the styles of communication the concept of consensualization, which can be related to transformative encounters, where argumentative strategies are used in order to generate critical thinking and acting. Through baselines that have this movement, which they are political and citizen participation, democratic governance, and reconciliation.